Kitting out a kitchen or your home with gas appliances is a smart solution, but were you aware of the fact that all gas appliances must be registered and installed, according to the Occupation Health and Safety Act, and must have a valid COC? The following appliances needs to have a COC: gas heaters, built-in braais, fireplaces, hot water systems, ovens, hobs and grills. Incorrect installation of these appliances can result in dangers that may result in damage to property, or even fatalities. In the event of damage to a property, your insurance will not cover the damages without a valid COC. It is your responsibility to ensure that all gas appliances are registered and has a COC from an authorized gas practitioner that is registered with the SAQCC Gas.